Hi, these 15 words are the secret handshake of advanced English speaking. If you can use them correctly, examiners will instantly know you are fluent. But if you misuse just one, it could ruin your score. Let's master them together. Welcome to ESL Now. My name is Selly. In this lesson, we'll be talking about 15 words that prove you are fluent in English. Are you ready? Let's dive in. So you have to repeat after me. Ubiquitous, ubiquitous. This just means present everywhere. For example, smartphones are ubiquitous in modern society. Smartphones are ubiquitous in modern society. Ubiquitous advertising affects consumer behavior. Ubiquitous advertising affects consumer behavior. Ephemeral. This simply means lasting a short time. For example, political trends are often ephemeral. Political trends are often ephemeral. Scintillating. Repeat after me. Scintillating. Great. So this simply means brilliant or exciting. Her scintillating presentation earned a band 9. Her scintillating presentation earned a band 9. Number 4 is pernicious. Pernicious. This simply means harmful subtly. Pernicious misinformation spreads online. Pernicious misinformation spreads online. Esoteric. Say it one more time. Esoteric. Good. So this simply means understood by few. For example, for example, the professor's esoteric theories confused students. The professor's esoteric theories confused students. Quintessential. 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 That is number 6. So this simply means perfect example. For example, Shakespeare is the quintessential English playwright. Shakespeare is the quintessential English playwright. Obfuscate. Obfuscate. One more time. Obfuscate. Yes. So this simply means to confuse. For example, politicians often obfuscate the truth. Politicians often obfuscate the truth. Number 8, lugubrious. Lugubrious. One more time, lugubrious. So, this simply means excessively sad. For example, the lugubrious music set a somber mood. The lugubrious music set a somber mood. Sycophant, sycophant. So this simply means flatterer for gain. For example, leaders should avoid sycophant. Leaders should avoid sycophant. Number 10 is fastidious. Fastidious. So this means hard to please. For example, fastidious editors improve writing quality. Fastidious editors improve writing quality. Number 11, iconoclast. Say it again, iconoclast. This means tradition challenger. For example, Steve Jobs was an iconoclast in tech design. Steve Jobs was an iconoclast in tech design. Number 12, quixotic. Quixotic. This simply means unrealistically idealistic. For example, his quixotic dreams amused the panel. His quixotic dreams amused the panel. Number 13, zenith. Zenith. So this simply means highest point. For example, her career reached its zenith in 2020. Her career reached its zenith in 2020. Number 14 is ebullient. Ebullient. So this simply means full of energy. For example, the ebullient audience cheered wildly. The ebullient audience cheered widely. And number 15 is cacophony. Cacophony. This simply means harsh noise. For example, cities are filled with cacophony. Cities are filled with cacophony.